Welcome to Animal Breeding Center, Salon, India's premium institute using advanced genetic and land management technologies to increase animal and agricultural productivity. To increase the productivity of indigenous nondescript animals of the country, it is imperative to improve the genetic merit of these animals by breeding them with superior germplasm. To achieve this objective, in the year 1988, the National Dairy Development Board established an animal breeding center at Salon in Raebareli district of Uttar Pradesh. Animal Breeding Center, Salon, popularly known as ABC, helps to improve the productivity of female bovines in India by supplying frozen semen doses of genetically superior bulls and undertake and promote activities connected with the development of cattle and buffaloes, resulting in economic upliftment of the farmers. Keeping view of its objectives, ABC in 1989 acquired an exotic herd of imported HF cattle. The nucleus herd was established through a gift of 100 pure HF pregnant heifers to the then Prime Minister of India, Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, by Her Royal Highness Princess Irene of Greece. Another lot of 130 pure Holstein Friesian pregnant heifers was received under Indo-German project. The herd was multiplied scientifically to produce high genetic merit bulls and cows. Artificial insemination using the best genetics and embryo transfer technique were used to multiply the herd. The male calves produced were supplied to various semen production stations in the country, and the female calves retained at ABC to be used as future bull mothers. In response to the growing demand of high-quality semen in the country, a semen production station was established at ABC in the year 1993. ABC now maintains high-quality breeding bulls of 14 different breeds of cattle and buffaloes for semen production. These breeding bulls were sourced either from their native breeding tract or produced through organized bull production program. The progeny testing program for production and evaluation of Murrah bulls is one such program. Bulls procured from the field are quarantined for 90 days. During the quarantine period, the bulls are monitored for their growth and tested for various diseases mandatory as per the disease screening protocol. They are vaccinated for certain diseases prevalent in the area. The bulls that clear quarantine are housed at the rearing farm till maturity. At ABC, the bull sheds are scientifically designed to provide comfort to bulls. These sheds have individual pens, adequate loafing area, manger and water trough. Elaborate procedures are laid down for collection of semen at ABC. The frozen semen thus produced is required to pass through various quality control tests like PTM, host, acrosome integrity, incubation, etc. to ensure the quality of the semen doses produced. The bacterial load in the semen straws are monitored periodically as well. After completion of quarantine period of 1 month, the frozen semen doses are transferred to dispatch section for distribution to various agencies like the state governments, cooperatives and AI service providers as per their demand. Appropriate biosecurity measures have been put in place at the farm to minimize the transmission of diseases. Safety guidelines, be it cleanliness of the staff members or vehicles entering the farm, are followed meticulously. All staff working with animals and entering the co-production zone, semen collection arena, bull sheds and semen processing lab take bath, change clothes and footwear. Entry of visitors, unauthorized staff and laborers to the co-production zone is strictly prohibited. Proper disease testing, vaccination and deworming etc. are carried out on regular basis to prevent infections. For prevention of diseases in the farm, ring vaccination is carried out in all villages falling within 10-kilometer radius of the farm, covering around 35,000 animals. The bulls are fed a total mixed ration. The entire fodder requirement of the bulls are met in-house. A variety of fodder crops like maize, oats, alfalfa, sugar beet, sorghum, etc. are grown at ABC for feeding the animals. ABC also produces quality fodder seeds of clover, mustard and oats. The seeds are mechanically processed and supplied to various agencies apart from own use. Operations like ploughing, seed bed preparation, fertilizer broadcasting, intercultivation, harvesting and chopping of green forage and irrigation through sprinklers as well as reel irrigation system is completely mechanized. The farm has also put in place efficient systems for handling manure and other wastes. The dung is transported using mechanized dung slurry transportation system and the same is spread in agriculture fields using liquid manure sprayers. ABC, since its inception, has played a vital role in reducing the carbon emission into the environment. As a part of its green approach, it has installed a 425 cubic meter biogas plant which when installed was the largest in Asia. The fermentation of cattle waste in anaerobic condition has led to the reduction of carbon emission and generation of methane gas in usable form. The methane gas produced is used for generation of 12 kilowatt electricity daily. Recognizing the contribution of the organization in production of high-quality bovine genetics, the Central Monitoring Unit constituted by the Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India has awarded ABC A grade since the year 2005-06. The semen station also possesses an ISO 9001-2008 certification by the Bureau Veritas Certification of India since the year 2008. ABC's efforts have always been directed towards improving the productivity of dairy animals and agricultural land, also transferring the benefit of enhanced productivity to dairy farmers to augment their income and quality of life. It will continue to make every effort to excel in this noble mission.